Chua is offering 20 million for the parcel of land na pag-aari ninyo.
Mahal. That's a good offer. Mas mataas pa yun sa market value ng property mo. Let's take the deal.
Mahal, baka pwedeng maghintay muna tayo ng ibang offer. Baka kami mag-alok pa ng mas mataas para doon sa lupa.
Didiretsuhin ko na po kayo. My client is looking at another property. Pag hindi natin na-close ang deal na to as soon as possible, he may choose to go with the other property. Sayang.
Mahal, huwag na natin palampasin itong offer na to. I don't think na makakakuha pa tayo ng better offers. And besides, may timetable kasi ako to start the resort project and I cannot delay it anymore. So I suggest we seal the deal.